Hey guys, what's going on? Paul here, and today we have had some crazy spikes in the cryptocurrency world. So what I'm going to do in the next few minutes, I'm going to make this video really short. We'll get a live stream maybe tomorrow or something like that. Maybe later today, we'll see how it goes. I'm going to jump in, explain my perspective on it and why you are seeing such a big difference in the price of Bitcoin between one exchange and another, especially a lot of people on BitMEX looking at that and then looking at Binance at a $500 difference. We'll jump in here and explain why we are seeing that. So first, why was there such a jump? Why did we see Bitcoin? You can see here against USD on this chart is against Coinbase. You can see it went up to around the $6,800 level. But if you look at something like Binance, then we've seen it go right up to about $7,500. So why such a big difference? Well, it all comes back down to Tether, USDT. So Tether is one of these stable coins. I would say the most common stable coin. You can see it here, Tether. And at the minute, this is down below 96 cents. So there has been rumors that Tether is insolvent, it's going to disappear, all this kind of stuff. Nothing is confirmed, but as we always see in the markets, once the fear kicks in, the FUD just gets bigger and bigger, and we see these kind of drops here. Now, Tether, we have not seen this kind of drop before. Tether is meant to be in around 1 for 1, as in $1 for 1 Tether, and that is what I think it's Bitfinex is the company, or the backers behind Bitfinex are the same as Tether. They're meant to have $1 for every 1 USDT, which is Tether. But there's questions on whether they do. There was another one that went around here. This email was flying around that Binance was going to delist USDT because it was a scam and all this kind of stuff. But that is all fake. And CZ, the owner of Binance, has come out and said this is complete fake news and they're not delisting it. You can see here, he retweeted it, confirming that that was fake news. So there's lots of rumors, nothing confirmed yet, but that does not stop the market acting. So what we can see here, I've left up Bittrex here to show the difference. So we refresh just to get the latest. So if you look at Bittrex, has both USDT pairs and USD pairs. So fiat USD as in fiat currency. You can see here Bitcoin is currently $6,320 on Bittrex, and then USDT is up just under $6,700. So a big difference there, and the difference is even bigger when you look at some of the other exchanges. We have a look here. This is all because the Tether USDT is down at that 96 cent. So if we look here, BitMEX around 6,400, but again, it's against USD. Bitfinex that is a crazy price actually for USD. Now they did have their fiat gateway closed. I'm not sure if that has opened again. Maybe it has. So again, I wouldn't have expected to see that against USD. I would expect that for the USDT pairs. You can see here actually Binance, the price has come down even since I started this video, or when I planned starting it about 10-15 minutes ago. That was up around the 6,800, 900 level. So you can see the difference. It is actually starting to come closer together now, but that Bitfinex one is slightly crazy. So you can see they are putting it up against the BTC USD. So there may even be arbitrage opportunities. So once I get off this video, I will be digging into that a bit deeper. This video is more just to jump into why have we seen such a big spike. You can see that even since I showed this at the very start, Bitcoin has come down. So the markets are starting to come back to normal. And just to take up on this chart, the last video I done was somewhere back here. And I had said we were expecting to see a big move in the next 2 to 4 days as we were approaching this downtrend, the descending triangle. And unfortunately, we did get the breakout that I talked about that I was expecting, but unfortunately it went the wrong way. It went along the line for a day or two and then shot right down off that downtrend. The move today took us way up. So in that video I did say that we would need a very strong move to break up through that line and keep moving up and start to get out of this downtrend. We did get that huge move today, but that was on the back of the Tether FUD. So I don't know if that's fundamentally the right kind of move to get us out. Who knows? This Tether FUD may be what can actually push Bitcoin to get back into an uptrend. We'll just have to wait and see. Again, these markets are extremely risky. If you were trading, trying to catch some of these huge highs and really lows, really low down lows, then just be careful. Trade with caution, because there's so much volatility right now. You do not know where it is going to go. So the advantage of this kind of thing here, it is good to see the volume is way up. We need volume if the market is really going to get up into an uptrend. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this has given you some kind of value. If it has, give the video a like. Don't forget to hit subscribe if this is the first you've seen, and also give it a share to get the word out on what is actually going on. Thanks very much, guys. I appreciate you watching, and I will talk to you soon.